let's go to page 1. This one deals with the integer exponents. So whenever you have exponents, there are 3 rules. Okay, the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. So let's go to example 1-1. So example 1-1 says, what is 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 6? So when you have 2 factors multiplied together, you apply the product rule. So you just go and add the exponents. So this will equal to 2 to the 11. So you just add this together and that's it. Okay. Now if you multiply out, then you're going to get 2048. Okay. Now let's go to example 1-2. So this one, what is 3 to the 15 divided by 3 to the 12? So again, this multiplication, you use the product rule. When you have division, you use the quotient rule. So again, when you have a multiplication, you add. When you have division, you subtract. So 15 minus 12, you get 3. So this becomes 3 to the 3. And if you multiply out, you get 27. Now let's go to example 1-3. So what's the difference between 5 to the 5 plus 5 squared over 5, and you have 5 to the 5 times 5 to the 2 divided by 5. So what's the difference between the two? Well, you have to be careful. This one has 2 terms. This has only 1 term. So this one you can separate the 2. And you can apply the quotient rule. So you're going to get 5 to the 4 plus 5 to the 1. Okay. And whereas, and if you add this together, you get 625 plus 5, you get 630. Okay. But this one, you just apply the product rule and the quotient rule. So this will equal to 5 to the, so when you have multiplication, you add. When you have division, you subtract. So it will be 5 plus 2 give you 7, minus 1 will give you 6. Okay, and that's it. And number is kind of big, so you can leave it like that. You don't have to multiply out. Okay, let's go to page 3, example 4. So example 1-4. So you want to evaluate 3 to the 5 squared and 4 to the negative 3 to the negative 2. Okay. So to evaluate, so this one you want to use the power rule. So when you have exponent of an exponent, you multiply, so this becomes 3 to the 10. Okay. This one, again, you multiply, so this is going to become 4 to the 6th power, and that's it. So this is the power rule. Okay. So again, there are 3 rules. So you have the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. Okay, let's go to example 1-5. So you got 2 to the 3 to the 4, and you have 2 to the 3 to the 4. So what's the difference between these two? Well, this one, this is already exponent form already, so this will equal to 2 to the 3 to the 4 will give you 81. Okay, whereas this is this to the 4th power, so you have to use a power rule to that, so it will be 2 to the 12th power. So again, this is a little bit kind of sneaky, so you have to watch out for these things.